Hey lawyers, this video is about how Google Maps gets you free clients. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses. This is the 3rd video in a series about Google Maps. You can check out the other 2 videos at GoMediaMarketing.com. I hope you enjoyed the video I sent out with Chris MUNLEY talking about his Atlas conference. It's so nice to hear Chris talking about his practice, what it was like being in COVID, and more. Don't forget to check out that video if you haven't already. And now back to this regularly scheduled program. Okay. Law firms know me from writing, directing, and producing their 10,000 plus videos for both online and television, and equally we're experts at marketing, especially for lawyers, search optimizing Google assets, YouTube, building thousands of law firm websites, creating detailed online campaigns for pretty much any platform, and tracking the data to prove what really works to bring in signed clients. And marketing, when done right, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Hopefully you're practicing law and completely unaware how important Google Maps is to you. Hopefully you're blissfully ignorant, happy knowing that people just call you and you get clients regularly. You may not know that one of the hardest things for law firms these days is losing their Google Maps listing, especially if they're already on the top. Recently, a client of mine who heavily relied on his Google Maps listing being on the top 3 under his practice area lost his Google Maps listing, moving from number 3 in the 3-pack where you see him to number 7 where he was completely invisible. Being number 7 in the Google Maps 3-pack doesn't really get any clients for anybody. So how can Google Maps get you free clients? It's easy. If you're in the Google Maps 3-pack, they will put in your practice area as a search with the word lawyer, and you'll have your perfectly filled out, optimized Google Maps listing waiting for them with reviews, videos, 360s of your office, postings, and more. But without being optimized, your firm will likely drop off the Maps listing like happened to my client, or you won't show up at all. So what does optimizing your Google Maps listing mean? Getting and staying on top means that when you fill out your Google Maps listing, you'll want to use what's called SEO, or search engine optimization. Agencies like mine have long used SEO to get your websites and videos to the top of the searches on Google and YouTube. Here are my top 3 tips for getting free clients with your Google Maps listing. 1. Search engine optimize everything on your Maps listing so you'll be indexed properly. 2. Build what they are calling a website in your Google Maps listing, even if you don't use it. And 3. Post regularly. If the competition is steep in your geographic area, you're going to want to post twice daily. Growing and streamlining your practice just got easier. We're creating online courses every day that help lawyers just like you. If you're interested in learning more about this subject, go right now to MaryCaryU.com. I've been helping lawyers just like you my entire life, and I may not be perfect, but my online courses show you exactly how I do this. It's the least expensive way that I know to get real results for your law firm. Keep in touch, and I'll see you in the next video.